Hey guys, I'm Anthony from Call Out, and today we're going to be talking to you guys about how to save money on tour. Tour is a very expensive and grueling and sweaty process. In order for you to save money in your wallet, we're going to go over a few things that will help you guys in your quest basically across the US, if that's how far you're willing to go. So the three things that really kill your wallet, and that is transportation, food, and sleep. First thing we're going to be talking about is transportation. So first off, right before you leave home, you want to make sure that you're in a good car, okay? You want to make sure that you have everything packed into the car, into the trailer, but you really want to make sure that you go in and get your car checked, tune it up, do everything you need to do, because your prep beforehand will save a lot of money on tour when you could have replaced something prior and then having to do a quick $400, $500, $600 stop at a mechanic in order to get your situation checked out and fixed. Doing things ahead of time will save you money. Aside from that, you want to make sure to keep your car maintained. Always put oil in the car, gas in the car, etc., etc. A great service you can use is AAA. You should sign up for it, or more preferably, since we're trying to save money on tour, find out if a family member of yours is currently signed up for it. AAA is a great service for you to have, because let's be honest, no matter how much you prep for things are bound to happen. You may run out of gas on the side of the road. Your transmission might blow. Something in your engine might give out. Something could be leaking fuel, leaking brake fluid, etc., etc. AAA, you call them up, they'll come to wherever you are and tow you to a mechanic very close by or on the way to your next stop. That will save you a lot more money than calling a local tow truck and having them send you out to wherever you need to be. Also, AAA has a lot of other great features, like you can use it for gift cards and discounts at certain places. So it's definitely a great service for you or a family member if you don't already have it. Gas is probably the main killer on tour, so always make sure that you have some way to pay for it. A good idea is getting gas cards. A bunch of different companies offer credit cards that'll give you points back on gas, save you money on gas, and reduce the cost of it in some way, shape, or form. The next topic I want to talk about is food. Food is a big expense, and let's face it, we all need it. We all need to eat every day, at least once a day when you're on tour. You should probably aim for more, but at least once a day. Prepping your food prior to tour will be a great way to save on costs. You bring a bunch of non-perishable items, like different types of snacks like chips, cookies, crackers, and a bunch of other things. You have some snacks on the way. They don't go bad, and they're good. They're available at the ready. Things like fruit and bread will get moldy quickly, so if you do bring it on tour with you, make sure to consume it as fast as possible before they spoil. Other microwavable items, such as ramen or Easy Mac, they're great ways to have hot meals on tour. Not going to be home cooked, but better than nothing. If you are looking for a home cooked meal though, buying something like a George Foreman grill or something in that sense, stopping at the supermarket every once in a while, buying enough meat for whatever the meal is, or buying enough vegetables for whatever the meal is and cooking it on the road is a great way to save money instead of going to a restaurant. Going to McDonald's every day or Burger King or Wendy's or any of these other fast food chains. The final topic that will really kill your wallet is your living expenses. For a majority of the time, you're going to be in your car, van, whatever you're renting, whatever you own, that's going to be transporting you from point A to point B. With this, you're probably not going to want to sleep in the car the entire time. Great ways that you can save on money instead of renting motels is going on Airbnb or Couchsurfers or something in that vein. They're great services that offer you cheap rooms, showers, and other extremities that you may need, want, or just nice to have at the current time. Another good way is, before you actually head out on tour, booking your route so it's close by to friends, families, other bands that'll let you stay with them. You may be able to sleep over your best friend's cousin's house, get to use a shower, maybe do your laundry, and then be on the road the next day. Also, booking multiple days at one place is a lot cheaper than buying one hotel in one state, another one in the next state, another one in the next state. Planning your shows around a single center point is a good way on saving cash on tour. by having your center point being one place and then going maybe an hour, 2 hours, one spot, and another spot from that center point, you may wind up saving more money on hotel fees than you would with the cost of gas getting from one place to the other. Being able to get a package deal on the days at a hotel is definitely cheaper in the long run than having to buy one hotel in one place, another one in another place, and then another one in the final one. Alright guys, that's it for how to save cash on tour. Be sure to check out our other videos. If you like what you hear, like the video and subscribe, and be sure to comment down below on other ways that you could save money on tour that we may have missed. Remember, always wear your helmet.